All right, so wanted to give you another example here. I've talked about these rocket bars already, and this is actually an example from the same day along with the daily pivots. And I just kind of want to show you how this works and how powerful it really is. So I didn't mean to give us that much info there. So let's try to get this to the right size here, and that should be good right there. So you can see that we started the day off. We came up, we hit this daily pivot. We had a lower high up here, had a rocket bar coinciding. The 1x trend line is sloping down, starting to slope down. And you can see here that we had another one again. The 1x trend line is sloping down, higher low. Now we broke down through this daily pivot right here, this 114.59.7 area. And you notice what happened. It came back up, it tried to hit it or touch it, didn't quite touch it, came back down, made a lower low, came back up, and it did touch it. It actually breached it to the upside. Now notice we had a rocket bar there, a lower high rocket bar here, another lower high rocket bar here, all three coinciding with this pivot. Do you think that that's a good area to take a trade? Look, we're above the trend line, but it's sloping down, which is what we're looking for when we're looking at, doing any kind of mean reversion with trend following trading. And so, a great target would be down here at this 114.399, or of course, you just follow the simple money management rules that I've laid out. So if you go in here, or let's say even here, you wanted a confirmation, and you got in at the open of that bar, you had about a 4-pip risk in there on this particular trade, you would have easily seen a 2-to-1. You would have been at 13 pips, which is over a 3-to-1, and you could have taken profits at that point. Or of course, now once you're at the 2-to-1, then you can of course use the rule that we have here, and you would have got out with about 10 pips of profit on this particular trade, which is more than a 2-to-1. That adds another $100 on the day if you're trading at one lot size. So now instead of 240, now you're at 340. And again, you've been trading for about 4 hours, so that's not bad. That's pretty close to $100 an hour. And again, that's just trading one currency pair, really. And doing this, on a very easy basis. You could have stopped at 240 with about two hours in on the trading day. And, again, this is a very powerful tool here. So I want you to see how this works, how powerful this really is and how this works. And these rocket bars coinciding with the daily pivots are some very powerful things, powerful tools. So, again, that's how I use it, or one of the ways that I use it. And I think you'll enjoy using it kind of the same way. So, you see that the trend line, it is dynamic, right? It does move up. It does slope depending on, the market, the movement of the market. So it's dynamic. It does slope and it does change. It only goes back 300 bars. We have it set to program 300 bars back. If we look at the trend line and we go to inputs, you can see that it only goes back 300 bars. And that's the way we want it, because we want this to actually be measuring the market right now. We don't want to be going and using like moving averages where it's showing us past history, and we're basing our trading off of past history. We want to kind of be in the now, right now, what's happening in the market. So that should kind of give you some insight there and show you how we can use this and how powerful it is, especially when you coincide it with these rocket bars and these daily pivots. It can be a very powerful tool. So hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.